ultimate cheesecake factory, keeping it keto. I got a omelet and side of bacon with mushrooms and cheese and bacon. No bread, no potatoes. I'm not going to eat the tomatoes. Coffee, water with lemon. Got the low carb cheesecake to go. It has 12 carbs in it. Hi guys, I have a mini Costco haul. We got our first Costco membership and we just ran. I didn't have very long. I had like 30 minutes exactly. So I had like a hit list of a few things and this is what I got. I really wanted to find pre-cooked crumbled bacon, but I couldn't find it to save my soul. So if anybody knows in Costco where exactly that is, let me know. Okay, so this is what I got. Kirkland smoked pulled pork. Pit smoked with real hickory wood, hand-pulled, vegetarian-fed pork, no antibiotics, and it says it's 0 carbs, and there's no sugar on the back. That's what I was shooting for, just pork, water, salt, spice, extract, and sodium nitrate. And I'm pretty sure this is pre-cooked. Okay, so then this next thing is this salami and provolone, like these little packs. And on the back, here's our carb count. I'm trying to figure out, yeah, there's no carbs. There's dextrose in it, of course. But I eat on the run a lot. I'm a nurse, so this is great to throw in my lunchbox or keep at the fridge at work. So that's why I got those. I know this is processed stuff, but that's my life at this point. And then I'm excited to get this cheese because I eat a lot of cheese and almond flour crackers. And this has Gouda, Havarti, Swiss, and cheddar. And this is huge. That's the size of my hand. Let's look at the macros on the back. Pretty sure, yeah, there is some carbs in it. There's the ingredients for it. Okay, so price-wise, I spent a total with these 4 things, $76. Now that doesn't include the price of my membership, but and this right here is 100 pods of coffee, and for $38, which is an amazing deal. So we use them a lot. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I've probably already inserted some of the clips that I filmed inside of Costco. And that's it. All right, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and hit this like button if you'd like to see more videos like this.
Yeah, thank you.